Hello traders, welcome to KineFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akinla Kine, I'm the lead instructor. So guys, in this video I want to give you this simple strategy, you understand? So I'm going to go for sell now. So I will tell you what make me sell, and then I will show you the settings for the strategy. But now you can see that I've sold already, so I'm going for sell. So let's see, I'm going to assist the trade in no time. That is how the strategies work. You can see on the screen that you are seeing some moving average on the main chart, while on the indicator window you are seeing stochastic oscillator. You understand? So I'm going to tell you why I entered the trade and then why I'm assisting the trade. So I'm going to assist the trade in no time, but I'm waiting for the assist signal. You understand? So I have seen the entry signals already, so I'm waiting for the exit signal. So this is not a 5 candle strategy, and this is not now I have seen the assist signal, so I'm going to assist the trade now. So in no time, so I'm assisting the trade. That is how the strategies work. So the strategies don't allow you to stay long in the market. It is very quick and swift strategy which lets you escape any form of manipulation in the market. Like spike can never take you out with this strategy. So let me quickly show you guys. So why I entered the trade. So I entered the trade because I see this cross, the fast and the slow EMA cross above the 80 period. You can see the stochastic, the 80, the 100. So the cross happened above the 80 period, so that is why I entered the trade. So then why do I assist the trade? I assist the trade because the fast EMA touches the 20 level, which is the assist level. You understand? So that is why I assist the trade in no time. You understand? One good thing about this strategy is that it doesn't trend doesn't affect it. You understand? Once you see the signal, it's safe. You understand? You can never spike can never catch you in boom and crash market. You understand? The good thing about this strategy is that you don't have to stay long in the market before you make money. So it is best for scalping. You understand? And this strategy can give you more than 100 signals in a day. You understand? So you just have to stay in front of the charts every time, and you'll be seeing signal. You can see that the trade has already given me the assist, and will be waiting. I'll be patiently waiting for the price coming up here. As I'm waiting, so I can go to crash 100 to also crash 1000 rather. So to also see whether I'm going to see a signal, but no. So I'm patiently waiting for a spike to happen till the market come to below 20. You understand? This is where we'll be looking at the cross, and you can see as this happened here. You can see as this crossing happen. So we have already got a spike. Now we patiently wait for the slow EMA to enter into this channel. Then we find the cross, then we buy immediately. So after the fast EMA touches the 80 level, we assist. You understand? So that is how these strategies work. It's very fast. You understand? So if you want to increase your earn, you increase your lot size because you are not staying long. The strategy give you the entry within a second. It give you the assist. You understand? So you don't have to stay long in the market before you make money. This is the best strategy for scalpers and small account owner, like $5-10 account. This is the best because assuming you are using the lowest lot size, and you see like 100 signals in a day, that is $10. You understand? If you are catching 0.1 something, and sometimes it's more than that, you can catch 0.2. So that is how the strategies plays. I'm trying to patiently wait whether we can have a signal so that we can have another example here before I close the video. As we are waiting, let me patiently show you the some back testing. You understand? You can see that the crossing happen here, and I give you the assist here immediately just after like 2 candle. You understand? So this strategy doesn't fail. You understand? So there's nothing is 100% sure, but at least I can say this strategy is more than 90%. You understand? So you can go to your chart. The reason why these moving averages are the main chart is because I want you to just see that it doesn't follow trend. You understand? So let's see, we are about to see the cross here. So after we see the cross, I'm going to buy, which we are going to see by ourselves that it doesn't follow trend. You understand? So once you see the signal, you go for buy or sell. So as we are waiting, let me show you the settings quickly. Though we are going to get the signal after the close of this candle, I'm going to be fast about that. It's just the stochastic oscillator. What did I change here? It's just the K period. You change the K period. I think the default number is 200, so just change it to 2. Then leave other settings like that, then click on done. That is all. We should be getting our signal. So I'm still waiting for the signal. So let's see after the close of this candle. If I don't get the signal, I'm going to close the video, but it's better I wait for the signal if no spike happen again. So we are going to buy in no time, so let's patiently wait. This strategy is very okay. If I don't test the strategy, I won't drop the video, trust me. You understand? So you know that every strategy I've been getting under this channel is a verified signal, which you can testify that the signal is okay. So we are waiting for this candle to close, then we got the signal, so we go for buy. You understand? So I'll go for buy. So I'll be waiting for assist. So you can see that the crossing happened below the 20 level. You understand? You know, in boom, the crosses happen above the 80 level. So when the fast EMA, which is the green moving average, touches the 80, so I'm going to assist the trade. You understand? So I'm going to assist the trade. So the trade is in profit already. You understand? So depending on your lot size, if you increase the lot size, you will have been in much more money than this. And if your lot size is below this, your money won't up to this. So let's see, I've got the assist signal already, so I'm closing the trade. That is how the strategies work. It is in no time, like in less than a minute, you will make your money and assist the trade. You will see more than 100 signals in a day. So as you already catch this one, you can go back to the boom 1000, then look whether you get another signals again. You can see another signal is forming again. So that is how these strategies work. It gives you a lot of signals in a day and you keep making your money. So guys, I wish you happy trading. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. You understand? That is the only motivation we can get from you, and so that you won't miss another video we drop under this channel. So I wish you happy trading.